Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Carolyn's World. So today we're at Atlantis. So I will show Atlantis is the biggest hotel in Dubai, and I will show you the water fountain in here. See, it's starting soon. The lights are coming off. This is Atlantis that you can see over here. See? It's the biggest hotel in Dubai. So the water fountain will be starting soon. Did you see that, guys? That was awesome. Amazing! Cool! It's so cool, guys! Are you watching? Of Atlantis, and you can come here too. Watch this full video. Whoa, did you see that, guys? That was awesome. Right? Do you know that? It's very awesome. Yeah, it's very, very awesome. Whoa! Wonderful! Look at that, guys! Whoa! It reached to the sky! It was so cool, guys! Come here and enjoy this view! Location and maps go too. Cool. Amazing. Nice. Wonderful. Awesome. Did you see that, guys? The lights coming? That moment was cool. Whoa, that was so cool. The last part that we saw. So guys, do you like that? Now I think you will come to here. Before that, like, share, and subscribe this so everybody can know about more of Atlantis. So there is a small water fountain here. See? So it's coming, small water fountain. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time with more more visiting places, and I hope yesterday you loved that song. Okay, so thank you. Bye. Guys, I have one thing to show you. This is a tiger. Look at it. It's so shiny, right? This is so cool. And look at this kind of Mickey Mouse, right? Where is this? I haven't seen her before, but it just looked like a Mickey Mouse, right? I hope he loves it. Right, Liam?
Yes, Laura.
Yeah, okay. Do you love it?
Yes, Laura.
Yes. Okay, come on. Let's go. Thank you. Bye.